How to log in into Paycom Employee account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to delve into the process of creating a login and a thread for your Paycom account. To begin, in order to access your Paycom Employee account, launch your preferred web browser such as Google Chrome and navigate to www.paycom.com. Enter this URL in the search bar and hit enter. Then you will be taken to the official Paycom website. Look towards the top right corner where you will find the login option. Click on it, and there from the drop-down menu you will see the option of client, employee, and accountant. Since our aim is to log in into the employee account, select the employee option just below the client, and subsequently you will be redirected to the employee's self-service login portal. Proceed by entering your username and your password, and also the last 4 digits of your social security number or the PIN in the designated text fields. Once you have completed this step, click on the login button highlighted in blue color. Congratulations, you will now be successfully logged into your Paycom employee account. And in the event that you have misplaced your username or your password, simply click on the Forgot Username or the Password option in order to recover and reset your login credentials. So this was all about how can you log in into Paycom employee account. If you found this video to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.